A long time ago, King Nebuchadnezzar of Babylon built a 90-foot gold statue. He wanted everyone in the kingdom to bow down to this statue whenever the music or trumpets sounded. But 3 men of that kingdom refused because they did not believe in worshipping idols. They refused to bow down to this statue. These men were Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They had unwavering faith that God would deliver them no matter what King Nebuchadnezzar was going to do to them, because they wouldn't bow down to this statue. King Nebuchadnezzar had made it so that if you don't bow down to the statue, you were going to be thrown into a hot burning furnace. And Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego got tied up and thrown into the furnace because they would not bow down. They had unwavering faith in their God that they would be delivered from this furnace. Whilst they were in the furnace, King Nebuchadnezzar could see the 3 men walking around, and even a 4th image which represented God's presence, the Holy Spirit. King Nebuchadnezzar saw this and demanded that these 3 men come out of the fire. As they came out, he was so shocked, and from that day he demanded that the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego be praised and honored as the God of all gods, the only God, if anything. And Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were promoted because of their unwavering faith and because of God's power to deliver.